Welcome back to Korean Grammar Made Easy. Do you ever wonder how to say there is or I have in Korean? The answer is with 이가 있어요 and 이가 없어요. They may look simple, but they carry two important meanings, existence and possession. By the end of this lesson, you will master both. Here's the simple rule. 있어요. Something exists. For example, I have something. 없어요. Something does not exist. I don't have something. Think of it this way. Use 있어요 to show presence or possession. Use 없어요 to show absence or lack. Let's look at some easy examples. 고양이가 집에 있어요. There is a cat at home. 고양이가 집에 없어요. There isn't a cat at home. 저는 시간이 있어요. I have time. 저는 시간이 없어요. I don't have time. Now, let's imagine real conversations. Your friend asks, 친구가 있어요? Do you have friends? You answer, 네, 친구가 있어요. Yes, I have friends. Another scene. 집에 책이 있어요. There is a book at home. 집에 책이 없어요. There isn't a book at home. Same grammar, two different uses, existence and possession. A common mistake is forgetting that 있어요 and 없어요 already mean there is, there isn't. For example, 저는 책이 있어요, 있다. This repeats the verbs twice. The correct way, 저는 책이 있어요. Koreans often use 있어요, 없어요 politely in daily life, especially when shopping or ordering food. For example, 물 있어요? Do you have water? 오늘 커피 없어요. We don't have coffee today. This is why learning these patterns makes you sound instantly natural in real conversations. Let's wrap up. 있어요. 없어요. There is. There isn't. I have. I don't have. Try practicing with your own life. For example, 저는 시간이 있어요. Or 저는 돈이 없어요. What do you have today? Comment in Korean using 있어요 or 없어요.